How to manage who can add you to groups on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can add you to groups on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find the account. Click on it and then click this one, privacy, and click scroll down until you find groups. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage it. If you want to make everyone can add you to groups, select first one here, everyone. And if you want to make only contacts can add you to groups, select second one, this one. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.